Starting a business from scratch and growing it to $100,000 in revenue is an exciting journey that requires dedication, strategic planning, and relentless execution. While there's no one-size-fits-all formula for success, this report will provide you with a comprehensive guide to achieving this significant milestone. 1. Idea generation and validation. Identify your passion. Start by exploring your interests and passions. A business idea that aligns with your interests is more likely to keep you motivated. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify a niche with demand. Validate your idea by seeking feedback from potential customers and competitors' analysis. 2. Business plan and strategy. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, competition analysis, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Value proposition. Clearly define your unique value proposition. What problem does your business solve and how does it stand out in the market? 3. Legal structure and registration. Choose a legal structure. Decide on the legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation, based on your specific needs and tax considerations. Register your business, complete the necessary registration, and obtain any required licenses or permits. Funding and budgeting. First, decide whether you'll self-fund, also known as bootstrapping, or seek external funding sources like loans, investors, or even crowdfunding. Next, create a detailed budget to manage your finances effectively. And of course, track your expenses and revenue diligently. Branding and online presence. Develop a strong brand identity, including a compelling logo, business name, and brand messaging. Then, create a professional website and establish a presence on social media platforms that are relevant to your audience. Product and service development. Start with a minimal version of your product or service, often called a minimum viable product or MVP, to test the market and gather feedback. And don't forget to continuously improve your offering based on customer feedback and market trends. 7. Marketing and customer acquisition. Content marketing. Create valuable content that resonates with your target audience to attract organic traffic. Paid advertising. Use online advertising channels like Google Ads and social media advertising to reach a broader audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and engage with your subscribers through newsletters and promotions. 8. Sales strategies. Sales funnel. Design a sales funnel that guides potential customers from awareness to purchase. Customer relationship management, or CRM. Implement a CRM system to manage customer interactions and nurture leads. Scalability and growth. As your revenue grows, reinvest in the business to expand your offerings, reach new markets, or hire additional staff. Explore opportunities to diversify your income through upsells, cross-sells, or complementary products and services. Customer retention. Provide exceptional customer service to build loyalty and encourage repeat business. Continuously seek feedback from customers and use it to enhance your products or services. Financial management and profitability. Monitor your profit margins and look for ways to increase profitability by optimizing costs and pricing. Set clear financial goals and regularly review your progress toward achieving them. Growing a business from scratch to $100,000 in revenue is a significant achievement that requires careful planning, hard work, and adaptability. While the journey may be challenging, following the steps outlined in this report can help you build a strong foundation for success. Remember that persistence, continuous learning, and a customer-centric approach are key to reaching and surpassing this milestone. Click the link in the description to start your $100,000 online business.